Good evening, dear action figure collectors. What I have here are 3D printed glasses of the Mountie. I'm the Mountie. So now I'm going to test the endurance of those glasses. See how thin they are. Okay, let's start counting. I'm going to count in Croatian because why not? Jedan, dva, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, what we have here, we are at the number 30. 30. Okay, come on, focus. Yeah, so they survived. I'm quite happy with the results. I'm very unhappy with the focus of my phone camera, okay, but I'm very happy with the results of those glasses. Super thin, super tiny, super fragile when you look at them, but they survived the endurance test. Now, of course, what you are not going to do is probably something like this. You see what I'm doing? See here? But look, they are surviving this. My God. To be honest, I wasn't even expecting they are going to survive that type of punishment. Look at this. Look at this. Now, don't expect this is going to be mattel type of plastic, mass-produced and stuff. This is 3D printed resin. It is a high quality resin which I'm using on all of my prints, but as you can see, it will work for collector purpose. And later today I'm going to show you where those glasses are going on. So stay tuned. Bye. Can I say bye like this? Is that okay or not? Okay, bye.